Especially when you're evaluating purchases, it's important to be able to look for what is known as a unit rate. A unit rate, much like a unit fraction, has a denominator that is equal to 1. So in this case, the second number in your ratio needs to be brought down or reduced to 1. So although we have 320 miles in 8 hours, we want to know how many miles there are in 1 hour. Because we have 120 calories in 2 servings, we want to find out how many calories are in 1 serving. So the idea is to just do what we've been doing. We're going to take the first number in the ratio and set it as the numerator in a fraction. And we can keep the units with it as well. And then you're going to divide by some common factor that is a version of 1 expressed as a fraction. I know that 32 is a multiple of 8, so I can divide both of these by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4, so 320 divided by 8 would be 40. So I would have 40 miles, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 320 miles in 8 hours is the same as 40 miles per 1 hour. Because I have a 1 in the denominator, this is known as a unit rate. We can do the same thing down here. The first number in the ratio is always going to be the numerator in your fraction, and the second number is going to be the denominator. In both of these cases, since the denominator is a factor of the numerator, we can divide by the denominator as numerators and denominators in the version of 1 that we're using to convert. 120 divided by 2 would be 60 calories. 2 divided by 2 would be 1 serving. So 120 calories in 2 servings is the same as 60 calories per 1 serving. Because we have a denominator of 1 and we have a unit with it, servings, this is known as a unit rate.